On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm chopping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pair full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Good morning, Honor Gang. Happy dump day, haircut day. What's going on, everybody? Hopefully you're all looking to take this SFP right now. That's the thought. SFP bounce? Or are we going to continue to dump? Looks like we're dumping. Let's jump into the chat. What's going on, everybody? Good morning. What is going on, everybody? Good morning. Bitcoin dumping. Sheesh. Into our buy level here. Potential bounce box, but do we want to get in the way of this? That is the question here. Bitcoin rolling over quite aggressively this morning, coming right into the morning dump. Oh, we could be considering a long here if we get a nice bounce, but I think patience is better. Big old rollover. I want to see some twos in the chat if you're short. Oof. Bye-bye, Bitcoin. I will see you later. Hopefully you're all doing well. Happy, beautiful Tuesday. Short week this week, but my goodness, what's going on? Good morning. Decent Crypto. How you doing, brother? Good to see you. Dr. Goat. MRPRG. Good morning to you. Venero. How you doing, man? Shunts. Mob the Great. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Solana dying. Solana looked so good yesterday, and now not so good. Down she goes. Where she stops, only you guys know. That's why we're here. We're here to get the information. We're here to trade. It looks like Bitcoin is going down. I do like longs here, though. Well, we might have to come down to here. We've taken this guy now. We might need to come down here. But we might bounce first and then go there, kind of deal. We'll see. Maybe get a little bounce up into this low here. Maybe. Just maybe. Maybe good, maybe not so good, you know? We'll see. But this is not looking good for Bitcoin price action. We could be looking to sweep the main low today. We got Jolt's job openings coming in. Oh, nice bounce. So we might consider long here. Oh, push. No push. This is what they do. They're cheeky in the morning. It's been pretty sporadic here. The pink box. Oh yeah, considering long. It's got to push though. I don't think it's gonna push. You know what? Let's leave it for now. This is equal lows right now. So we got equal lows, potential pop up right now. Can it hold on? NASDAQ. Whew. Trying to hold on as well, okay? Solana. No bounce in sight. Yeah, pretty negative here. Yeah, no trade. Let's wait on that. Micron up pre-market. SPY still needs to take this gap here. If SPY can take the gap, then we can really dump if we really wanna, Tell me what you want. Oh, here we go. Okay, engulfing candle. Let's see how this candle closes here. Maybe we can push back here after sweeping that low. Maybe. I think we might need to come down here first. The only pink box that pays you. I mean, it's not a pink box, but it used to be a pink box. That's the thing, right? Used to be a pink box. Can we push up to these lows? Let's go. Push. This is an early little scalp. No? Ain't gonna give it to me? Give it to me, baby. Nah, it's not gonna give it to me, man. I ain't getting stopped. It front ran the retest of the lows here. Alright. Push you, namby pamby. Maybe I just cover my fees and let it run. Cover the fees. Yeah, the fees are covered. If it wants to run, it can run. Can look to come up to the highs here. Expectational order flow is down. Maybe we schlong today. We haven't taken a schlong in a long time on the live stream. We're just naturally in a schlong here, hanging out with you guys all the time. Bull div activated. Yeah, it doesn't look too hot, guys. This thing's just bleeding out. Retest of previous lows, continuation down. So we'll see. Can we get a soul update? Your soul is mine. Absolutely. Probably gonna get stopped out here. That's fine. Covered my fees. I thought it was worth a whirl. I like this candle. There we go. Stopped out. How's Lord Auditor this morning? I'm doing good, man. I'm doing good. I deposited 20K profits yesterday into the trading account. I got a haircut. I lost 2,000 yesterday. I was up 1,700 and I kept trading, and then I lost. I took a couple bad losses in a row. That's what we talked about yesterday. You get up for the day. I was up 17, and then and then I gave it all back, man. It was a couple of frustrating, I took some really good trades on Solana yesterday, right in here. Okay, right in here. And then I missed this, and then I longed here and got stopped out a couple times, and it was really it was one of those days where it's just like you dipshit. Right? It was one of those. How's my hair, guys? I feel like it's short. That's gay. Asking a whole bunch of men 97% of people who watch this channel are men. I'm asking them, how's my hair? Come on, Alex. Anyways, so down we go, Geronimo. Good morning, everybody. Thank you for being here. Bitcoin dumping, man. Bitcoin dumping. I can't even believe we tried a long here. Pretty wild. Needs to come here. Here's the sweep level that we're looking for, 58,800. Bearish engulfing, continuation down. I mean, this is the slow bleed out, right? Slow bleed out, no oomph. Monday, false move up, big old rollover, right? So that's where we're at right now. How's everybody else doing? Thank you for being here. Good morning, everybody. We got a whole plethora of people in here. Army Piper's in here. How you doing, bro? Aaron, baby genius. What's going on? Mob the Great. Mob the Great. Shunts, Jesse Hullock, Rashad. Good morning to you, Jesse Hullock. Jack, Jojo, Jay Becker. How you doing, guys? Good to see you, Shrian. Hell yeah, how you doing, man? Gang, gang, gang. Let's go. Let's go. This thing's getting its ass whooped this morning. We do have Jolt's job openings at 10 o'clock, so be aware of that as well. So based off yesterday's logic, market open will pump, then we will dump, then consolidate. Well, it's been pump, dump, and then consolidate, right? So we had, if we looked at yesterday, right, and the repeating thing, we had pump, consolidate, then dump in Asia. So it's always a mixed bag, man. You can always have a bias. It doesn't necessarily mean the chart's going to trade that way. Right. You get these nasty pullbacks here. These nasty pullbacks and dumps. They're kind of the ones we want to short, right? This one's failing to dump right now, though. It looks like it wants to roll over. However, we shall see. I mean, really, we're looking to come into these lows here. Right, so we can put some sweep levels here so that we're aware, and then sweep level here so that we're aware. For both these levels, we have equal lows right now, trying to hold on. A very aggressive downtrend, right? Like very, very aggressive here. So this needs to break in order for us to really get bullish and look for possible reversals. We have sell walls above us. We are in a buy level right now, which is just pure liquidity. So we'll see if that does hold this morning. Good morning, Jack. So good morning, Blue Collar. Good to see you, Francois, G1, Trace, Crypto Jim, Sani. Good to see you. Thank you for being here. Lotus Styles, So Flowers, Philly Skills, Wagwan. Good to see you, bro. How you doing? Thank you, everybody, for being here and hanging out. It's a beautiful day to be trading, building in the bear. 270 people here. We'll see if we do get a little pushback here. I'm not against it. A nice little order block in here. Not against it, but I will short this thing again. We'll see. Yeah, so news is it at 10? News is at 10. Okay. How many job openings you guys think there really is? I mean, these guys are fugazi. I don't think there's that many jobs, but we'll see. Crypto Hung, what's going on, man? Good morning to you. It's me, CHG. How you doing, bro? Curtis Hill, my man, always here. Good morning. Woo. What a sneeze. Good to see you, Glenn. Stern, good morning. Raven, we'll just call you Raven, man. What's going on, Raven, man? Rashad, how you doing? MD, Jax Trades, A-Man, Fred, good morning, good morning. Good morning to everybody. The only requirement here, if you are new here, is to say good morning, by the way. Don't be some of these weird people watching his screen who's watching me watch his screen and not say good morning. Like, it's friggin' weird enough. We got a whole bunch of fat, sweaty, mom basement men here trying to click a couple buttons to get by, okay? So say good morning. Don't be weird. You know, don't be the guy with the pen protector and, you know. You can trade naked, like whatever you're into. Just say good morning, man. Okay? Farts in a jar, buying mofo, okay? Whatever. Oh, man. David, Stacy, good morning, Charles. Shy Owl, Cubanadian. I'm already on one, man. It's only Tuesday. Mind mates, good to see you. How you doing, Jesse? Isaac, Dusty, Cubanadian, slow bleed through Asia. Yeah, down we go. Down we go. Where we stop, only Jesse knows. 585. What's going on? Otter Gang. Otter Gang. I didn't come up with it, guys. We're just the OGs, man. Could you look at Shaz ticker? It's probably Shaz, man. Andrea, come on. Low cap Australia, Neo Cloud stock. You've lost me at low cap. Even Shaz. Possible day trade. I feel like I'm obliged because it's you, Andrea. Shaz. It's not even popping up on crypto here. Is it like on one of those like coin tracking things? Damn. I'm not one of those guys. I love you, Andrea, but come on. You're in the wrong place for that. You know that. It's one thing AlexOCrypto is very, very, very critical of is shitcoins. Dame, what's going on, Brillo? Good morning. Crypto Titan, how you doing? WB585. Family in here, man. You guys are great. You guys always showing up. Haircut day for me, too. Nice, Jack. There's something about, like, I will go back to growing the Rasta mullet man bun for you guys in the winter, guys. I ain't going to have long hair in the summer, guys. There's one thing I'm not going to do, and that's have a mullet. Or some long hair, scruffy hair in the summer, man. Not happening. You look hot, my brother, Rashad. Come on, man. Don't be gay. I love you, man. Crypto me, Dusty, Trace. 222s in the chat. Hell yeah, let's go, Hoto. Hoto, Jesse. Clayton, good morning. I have shorted my account. Let's go. Yeah, this looks nasty, guys. This looks pretty bad. Well, we got a break-even trade in so far. Very break-even. $9 break-even. Oh, man. I'm going to go up to the wife and give her a fanny flutter. Be like, hey, I made $9 today. Oh, she'd be like, divorce. No. How's NVIDIA? Nivda's probably all right, man. Equal those. Looks tasty for a sweep. Yeah, this is just... So this is trapping traders too. Like, they're building shorts here. Let's not get it twisted. So we should be looking generally long retracements. Oh, Solana, you bye-bye. Solana, go bye-bye. Oh my God, giving it all back from yesterday, down 3%. Oof, look at that support and resistance level. My God. I can't believe I was longing up here like a numpty. Bitcoin coming for that sweep right now. Sweep of these lows. Damn, this thing ugly. There's that low. It's taking it. It's taking it now. It says, you shall pass. That's what it says. It doesn't say anything besides that. Oof. Damn, Daniel. NASDAQ, pump and dump. Down, lower. Lower. Everything says lower. Twos are in the chat. You guys are short as ever. Let's go, baby. Great short, everybody. Great short. Darren does things in the chat. How you doing, DDT, man? Long time. How's London? I heard it's bloody hot over there. Alex can pronounce my name perfect. How's Jesse? I heard you're a big fan of Morocco. Did I strike a chord? Did I strike a chord, Jesse? I heard you love Morocco. Morocco's you're Moroccan the rockin'. I think, aren't you in the Netherlands, Jesse? Yeah. Bro, this World Cup is so rigged. How are all these... Bro, Panama beat Germany? Canada's in the... You guys... Canada should not be anywhere near a football. Okay? What's going on? A Shunt's guy, Kemp from Fort Lauderdale. My man, DG Trades. Long the sweep. I don't want to long this thing yet until we have confirmation, guys. This thing is just dumping. Ooh, new haircut. Yeah, I needed a haircut. Like, it's going out of style, man. The bangs have a bull div. That's my thing, man. Bullish divergence on the bangs. Damn, look at this thing breaking down, baby. Breaking down. Solana going to zero. Big dying rollover this morning. Coming back, grabbing all this liquidity. Nasty. I think Solana needs to come down to 72. We'll see. Your soul is mine is showing your age. Come on, man. It's such a good game, man. R Pink, Vegas Claw, Andrea. Whew. Max, good morning. Stuart, good morning. Good to see you. Dark Knight. Trenchy, man. The hair looks fire. You got a little stiffy. Oh man, I'm making people take schlongs without even clicking buttons. Big old rollover here. Trying to push back on Solana. Trying to push back on Biddy. Continuation down. Retest of previous lows. Continuation down. Order block tap. Whew, little bounce here. I mean, pushback. No pushback here on NASDAQ and Bitcoin. Sweeping those lows. Coming into order block retest. Considering a short. Let's do it, baby. I'm short. TP1 hit. Break even trade now. You don't want to go any up anymore. Dump it, Bitcoin. I got to be able to tell my wife I made like $100 today at least, guys. Come on. You going to do that to me? Come on, Biddy. Dump it. You got a little bit more. Don't give these guys too much opium. There we go. Thank you, Biddy. Thank you for letting me tell my wife that, you know, we actually made $100 today. We are short here. See if we can come for this liquidity down here, or are we going to bounce? Quick scalp, continuation short. Where are we looking to go? 58.450? 58.450? That's if we roll over. 450. Somewhere around here. I mean, a very aggressive entry. I would prefer it to come up to the order block up here, but hey ho. We're in it to win it, guys. We are in a bounce level sweep of the lows here, so we could bounce still. Yeah, we're going to get stopped out here. Quick $100. Oh. Okay. It tried to come back for me. Don't tell it. Don't tell it that it just like, look at that. Look at that perfect stop loss. This is why, oh, that's funny, man. That does not happen normally. Don't forget to sign up to Bitunix. They help your stop loss not get triggered. Sign up to Bitunix. Use the link down below. Oh, whenever that happens, you got to put your stop loss lower as a respect to the trading gods. Just so you guys understand. Never disrespect when the trading gods give you a little bit of money. Put your stop loss a little bit lower out of respect for them not stopping you out. And that just keeps good faith with the trading gods. If you're superstitious, which I am a little bit, you just thank the trading gods for their for not stopping you out. I've had that happen, and I've made thousands of dollars before. So I mean, you always got to pay respect to to the beautiful, beautiful trading gods. Stopped out another $100. I made, yeah, so I'm up like 100, yeah, $200 this morning. I took a couple trades this morning as well. A couple little scalps. Looks like we got follow through, continuation down, guys. Really retested previous lows. Let's see if it does find support here. NASDAQ ain't finding no support. NASDAQ needs life support is what it needs. My God. GG's in the chat. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Just a little continuation scalp. Sniper Paul, what's going on, man? Good to see you, Jack. Trades, Ollies. Darren does things. Jason, Kevin, Jesse. Jesse's a Morocco fan, guys. Did you guys know that? You said too much. Nashville neck warmer? Yeah. That's the mullet, right? Nico, good morning. McCall, Mint, good morning. Thank you for being here, Banana. Ryan. I haven't even shilled the exchange this morning, guys, because I'm good that way. Use the exchange. Big giveaways. Big giveaway energy. I mean, you ever see how they AI'd me here? It is a pretty sweet giveaway, man. I gotta say that. Trying to hold on here. 2 trades this morning. A long break even, a short. $100. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Good risk management. Still waiting. This in continuation dump, man. That is the trend. Don't fight it. Well, I'm gonna show you guys all my collections. This guy. Look at this guy. This guy looks just like me, just like my thumbnails. Bitunix VIP3 for 6 months. Chance to share 2,000 in the Discord, 5,000 on the live streams, Wednesday through Friday. The best exchange. I also had some news brought to my attention by Mika. Do you guys know about Mika, right? That exchange stuff that's in Europe and stuff. So Mika, the Bitunix is in the process of applying for Mika license, and all users within Europe IPs will not be affected at all with restrictions, so they can continue to trade. Okay, so for all you Europas, that's good news with Bitunix. Okay, happy days, right? So they're in the process of applying for MiCA license, and all users with Europe IPs will not be affected with no restrictions, and they can continue to trade /deposit /withdrawal for all you profitable traders. I know some of you guys are still dreaming about that, but that's why you're here. Okay, so good news. Mr. MiCA, Tika. Chop at the bottom here, rolling over. Bitcoin, nasty. Solana, nasty. All right. Solana, retest of support or resistance, continuation down. Look at that trend line, man, doing its thing. Whew. Dump it, baby. Trying to hold on here. Swept the low. Okay, so it swept the lows here for looking at the higher term time frames, guys. It has taken the lows from here. Next on the block is the 3 lows here. So it looks like we're coming for the lows. It's not a I told you so. It's kind of like we were prepared for this in the Discord, which is really good. I think we prepare really well in the Discord. Execution and preparation are very separate things. That's the thing, right? Execution versus separation, right? You gotta when you separate the two, you can really take a look at your trading. You'll be like, okay, I should have done this, but did I, right? Your actions sometimes don't match your plan, which is, critical, right? Like I shouldn't have traded yesterday. I lost a couple grand up here. I lost like $3,000. I was up $1,000 or so, and I lost like 3 up here, so I ended up negative yesterday. However, last week, so I'm down 2,000 basically to start the week. However, last week I was up 16,000, I think, so 17,000. So when we look at the trading account, which I share with you guys every single day, I took 20,000 in profits. The trading account's at 38,600 right now. Okay, 38,600. Taking the trades, showing the trades, trying to make crypto honest again, right? Macro post here. So I withdrew $28,000, $233 Canadian. So that's 20K American. Oh, gotta love that exchange rate, baby. And there's your 20,000 USDC. All right, putting it in the bank account. That is called profits. It's not profits until you can use it, guys, in my opinion. That's just my opinion, but I would agree with that. When you guys agree with that, you saying you're making profits, but you can't even go and spend it at Walmart and buy yourself some nappies to trade with longer, right? Nappies is a diaper, guys, if you're wondering. Fanny Flutter, yeah. Fanny Flutter is your drag name. Let's go. Guy Kemp, also known as Fanny Flutter. Bloody aught in the UK can't, but can handle it. It's the Brits that can't. Yeah. Ada Ace, my man. Good morning. Good to see you. TMB Willa. Willa. ETH is going to 0. F-Bomb, Ando Pancho, Knight, what's going on? Daru, I haven't even been able to catch up to this chat now. We're finally caught up here, guys. Thank you, guys. So many good mornings here. Put a 2 in the chat if you're short, baby. GG's, everybody. Solana going to 0. Bitcoin rolling over. Chop dump. Patience here. Bitty. Failing to make a higher high. Sweep of the highs here. Rotation down. Slow bleed over Asia. Coming for the lows. Can we sweep and go? This is the juicy one. Can we do this? Because right now we ain't got no legs, man. So we'll see. Man, you guys are crushing it. Congratulations, Cubanadian. Are you World Cup pool? Man, you must have called a lot of upsets on that World Cup pool. Morocco beating Netherlands. Germany losing to Panama. Ha! Ruud Van Nistelrooy is probably pissed off. What's going on, FJ? Good to see you, bro. Jax Trades, Reggie. How's it going, man? Maybe a Band-Aid, Daru. Chocolate, Salty. How you doing, man? Mika to 0, yeah. I just want to take a moment and tell you good morning. And thanks for everything you're doing for us. Like, seriously, I appreciate you, brother. Nico, that's kind of you, man. Thank you for being here, man. Thanks for supporting the channel. I appreciate it. I appreciate the support. Won't let you add funds. Says restricted in the U.S. VPN. Crypto change. Buy watches with my profits. Let's go. Well, if you're into watches, I mean, buy what you know. A watch is an asset as long as you know watches, right? Like, you'd see me show up with a friggin' McDonald's watch and think it's a Rolex. That's how much I know about watches. I'll probably buy a nice watch eventually, but not anytime soon. I want to stack assets, man, which, you know, and stacking assets is like, I want to stack assets that I know. I don't want to stack assets that I think are assets and then end up getting rugged, right? I've never taken anything out of the exchange. East to 0. Anyone know if weeks? I don't know anything about weeks. All I know about weeks is as the friggin' scammiest scamwicks I've ever seen. I've seen some Bitcoin scamwicks. It's like a candle like this on weeks. And I don't know. Maybe they've cleaned it up. Maybe this is just my experience. You see an order like this, and then you see like it's like one of these right extend trend lines. It's like it looks like that, and it's just like in the middle of the chart. I've seen that on weeks like 3 or 4 times. I've never and dude, if I get slipped on something like that, there's gonna be problems. That's all I gotta say. I heard it's decent weeks, but I also heard, maybe I should ask. What's going on, Curbstar? Good to see you. Soul to 0, East to 0. We got 2s in the chat. GG's on your shorts, guys. If you're not depositing, you ain't making it. Although I only use my crypto Visa and MasterCards these days to convert my USD to yeah, exactly. It's a good exchange rate, isn't it? Oh man, how's the Aussie dollar doing, man? I lived in Australia, mate. I don't have an Aussie dollar here. I only have US CAD. Look at the exchange. We're at $1.42. Let's go USD AUD. What are you guys sitting at? $1.45 as well. Let's go. We both have shit currencies. Oh man. It's nice getting paid in US dollars, right? Because 3 is 4. That's the easy. Well, you guys seen me. I just converted 20,000 and it's 28,000 Canadian, right? So 2 is 3. Fucking awesome, man. Sign me up. Sign me up. Gotta love that weak dollar and strong US dollar. Getting paid in that US dollar, baby. Thank you, JR Prince. Thank you, bro. Guys, if you're not following JR, look, there's a guy here. He shows up before me. He's in the same province as me. All right? JR Prince. Where's your show, man? The Ninja Show Gang. What is the name of your channel, man? Let's go and blow up this channel. What is the name of the channel, JR? Are you from Australia? Do I sound Australian to you? Good eye, can't. Sorry. I had to go there. Fair income, mate. The Art of Crypto. Right? This guy has 400 subscribers. Can we all go over here? Let's do a giveaway. I'll encourage it. I'll encourage it here. Let's go over to this video. Comment Otter Gang. 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 Let's get him to 500 subscribers, guys. Can we do that, please? Let's go over here. Comment Otter Gang. I'll do a giveaway, man. Otter. OTTER Gang. Big floppy donkey. Beep. All right, go over here. Comment Otter Gang. We'll do a giveaway right now. Let's get him to 500. The art of crypto, guys. He streams before me. He talks shit like me. He takes trades like me. He's got some questionable sound effects. Who's your daddy and what does he do? Stop whining. Arnold, all that stuff. Let's get him to 500. Can we do that? We got 400 people on here on the live stream. You know, we got to help. I remember when people would shout me out. Let's go over here. Subscribe to the Art of Crypto. We'll do a free membership to the Discord. If you're already a Discord member, we'll do some money or whatever. Just go over here. Subscribe. Let's get him to 500, guys. He's screenshotted 420, I bet. See if we can get him 500. Bitcoin's flat right now. We're going to wait. One long, one short. Up $100 bucks right now. Can we get him up to 434? Come on, guys. They're rookie numbers. There's 400 of you in here. You guys can do better than that. I believe in you. BTC bear flag? Yeah, bear flag continuation down. That's what we got here. We got short up here, stopped out in profits. See if it does continue down here. Solana, Solana getting her ass whooped. I hope we get a big ass capitulation wick today. Just send it to zero with the jobs data. NASDAQ trying to bounce though. NASDAQ trying to make a little bounce here on the Nas. Could be a bounce for Biddy. Not looking too hot. 846. Thank you everybody for being here. What a beautiful day, man. It's Tuesday. Short week this week. I think I'm gonna just stream in the Discord on Friday. I don't think I'm gonna stream live. I do not like trading when the Nas isn't open. I've decided that. It's an absolute gong show. Where are we at with the likes on, or the subscribers on JR here? We got the subscribers going. 434. 450 at least? 442. Come on, guys. What are you doing? I thought we were a gang here. I thought we like showed up for one another and shit, like gay stuff. But no? Okay. I guess I got to give you more trades. Here's the dump. Solana dump. Bull div in here. We got NASDAQ trying to bounce up here, so there's a potential for a long somewhere in here. It might not be here, though. I think we wait. Congratulations on your shorts, guys. Bitcoin going to zero. 58,600. Continuing to roll over. Nasty. Nasty, nasty. Solana's coming to 72. I said 72 for Solana. Here we go. Rip off that Band-Aid. Send it to zero. Subscribe to JR. Like the video.
Welcome
400.
back to
Okay,
the Art of
5 more
Crypto.
subscribers
I'm
and
JR,
we do the giveaway.
and,
Come on.
We're gonna do a little
5 more, we get him to 450. Don't be a douchebag or douche canoe. I'm gonna get banned from this YouTube thing, man. Okay, rollover, bounce back. Halfway up the candle, continuation down. Looking to come down to 58,450 for Bitcoin. Looking to come into these lows down into here. Continuation down. Solana, continuation down. NASDAQ, flaccid. It's going to be an interesting opening today, man. ES is rolling over too. You smell that capitulation, guys? I do. I smell it today. That would be great. Happy July 4th, all that fun stuff. My God. Should have remained short, shouldn't I? I should have just given it a little bit of breathing room, which I didn't. We're overextended to the downside, so I'm going to pay myself pretty quickly. was already subscribed to him. Awesome. Solio, what's going on? Otter Gang, good to see you. He was a pack a day smoking Aussie back in the day. A legendary creature. Let's go. With WEX and these low liquidity exchanges, you have to limit chase. Yeah, they're Garbaggio, man. Subscribe to JR. Good job, guys. Yeah. Traders helping traders. That's what it's about, man. Did we get him to 450?
Welcome
3
back
more
to the Art of
subscribers.
Crypto. I'm JR.
You guys are
We're
really
gonna do a
pushing it today,
little
man. I guess I shouldn't have given you the long here.
I think that's what it's called.
Pardon
RSI
me.
primed. I keep saying it
Micron
backwards.
down for the day. What's
So we're gonna do a
SpaceX
little
looking like?
RSI
Down for the
prime
day.
vid
Tesla down.
on
Pretty
how to
much.
use this free
Good.
indicator
Anybody buy
by
some
chart
Tesla
prime.
around 380?
Free
I've been
indicator by
buying
chart
Tesla
prime,
at
ladies and
380.
gents.
We already up 10%.
It's just it's
Doesn't
like a
mean it can't
classic
come
RSI
lower.
with
I'm down for
probably
lower.
volume,
I'm always down for lower.
and whatever other proprietary cool stuff they got in here.
Mm-hmm.
And I guess I should show
Yeah, this is coming down here.
what I'm talking about, eh? Make sure the audio's
sweep,
good. Yeah,
big
the
dump.
audio's
Down we
good.
go.
We're on at least, so let's do it. Okay. Whoa, glitching, bro.
I don't have my headphone in. I just realized that. There we go. Now we're back.
Why are you glitching?
Were you talking while this was playing? Sorry, guys. 448. Close enough. I don't know what this is, but we'll do it. Here we go. Otter. Otter gang. Thanks, guys, for subscribing to a JR and supporting other content creators. The new guys, the new guys on the block. Eero, what's going on? Eero Fosties, gang. GG, guys. Eero, come over to the Discord. Open up a ticket or whatever. Free monthly membership, man. Or some USDT, whatever you want, man. Thank you for being in the family. Thank you for showing up every day. Eero, happy to see you win, bro. Gang, baby. Let's go. Congrats. GG's in the chat for Eero. GG's for all the shorts in here. NASDAQ high or low? First sign of strength. Look at this thing. Looks like a big rug this morning, guys. Hopefully you're all short. I took one short in here. Stopped dead in profits. See if she follows through. Got 430 people here on the live stream. God bless you guys. Thank you for being here and supporting the channel. We're live here every morning, 8 a.m. till 10. Taking the trades, showing the trades, making crypto honest again. I intraday scalp every day. We've hit some bangers. We've taken some losses. That's part of trading. We're here showing up, doing it live, showing you the account, showing you guys how we do it, what we look for. Key levels. We watch the NAS and the SPY. We trade Sol sometimes, Bitcoin as well. Okay. It's tough. It's tough. Every day is a day where you have to show up and try to prove to yourself that you kind of know what you're doing, which is weird with an audience. I'll put it that way. That's the Discord. I lost like $6,000 in front of them on Friday, scalping, and then I left the live stream, and then I made like 5.5. It's just the nature of the beast, right? The one thing I do well is I show up every day. I manage my risk. I have rules around my trades. I have strategy. I risk no more than 2% for the day. And I just try to be transparent as possible with you guys, man. I mean, if I was any more transparent with you guys, I'd have to like lend you my wife or something. So that ain't happening. We talk a lot of smack because I don't know. I enjoy the smack talk because like I feel like it's a boys club here and like we're all hanging out trying to click a stupid button looking at Japanesey candles, man. It's kind of retarded how we're making money, right? Like last week I made 16,000, right? That I used to make good $2,200 on a 45-hour week as a carpenter. Right? A couple hours double time. That was a great week, man. And I just did 16 US. Right? It's really not fair. It's really not fair. But at least I know what, 15 years as a carpenter, I know what a hard day's work is. And I think you guys here know that as well. So thank you guys for showing up and working hard and trying to change your lives as well. This isn't an easy endeavor. Otherwise, everyone would do it, right? Kind of deal. But at least we get to be in the trenches together and hang out and try to figure this stuff out. Retest to previous lows. Continuation down right now for Bitcoin. Solana still weak. Patience here. Coming into 9 o'clock. Nice dump. Rip off that Band-Aid, Bitcoin. That's violence. I like violence. Coming for this low right now. NASDAQ continues to roll over, coming for equal lows right now. Lower. Damn, this is selling off hard, baby. Let's go. GG's in the chat, man. Thanks, Florida. Hopefully you're having a good morning, man. There is no bottom, says Dusty. Anil, good to see you. Where do you think the bottom is? 47,000. I've said that at 120,000 and beyond. Going lower. Thank you, Mike. Appreciate you, bro. Golden Child. So the moral of the story is revenge trading does work. I thought you said you're done for the day and that you're down 6K. Yep. So I took one more trade. I took two more trades after that. So if I'm down, and I was explaining this yesterday, if I'm down 6K, so 8K is my 2% for the day. Okay, just so you guys know, 8K, right? So if I'm down 8K, I'm done for the day. If I'm at 6K, I'm allowed to take two more losses. So I reset and I retook the trade. I made 3, and then I made, I think, 1.5 or something like that. So that's the way I do it. That's my rules base. So when I'm close to it, I have a loss limit. So the loss limit kicks in, right? If I lose 2 more times, I'm done. Caputo. And that's how I do it, Golden. So I try to just have those rules around it. This thing is going down, baby. We're coming for the low right now, guys. This is beautiful capitulation. I love this violence dump. Shout out to the shorts in the chat. Let's go, baby. I should have held it, man. I should have held it. We were short from here. What a weak person. Good on you. I don't think I have the cojones to keep going after that. And it was the trade setup too, Golden. So like where I got stopped out was on Friday with you guys, right? So Friday on the live stream was here. So it was in reflection, and that's coming out tomorrow. We missed the SFP. We missed the VWAP slap. We missed this long here. And I got long stopped out multiple times on the Discord right here. And then it came down to my support level, and I longed it here, and I made that money on the way back up. Right? Bitcoin dumping. Let me see if I can find it. Yeah, there it is. Yeah, it was nasty. It was just like long loss, long loss, long win, long break even, 2,000, 2,000, 2,300, and then 3,000, right? So it was yeah, and then I caught this guy up, right? So I mean, I was directionally I was right, but I was very, very aggressive, which is never a good place to be when you're trading. Okay, we've swept another low here on Bitcoin coming down. We've taken the first one. First one's done. Getting a little reaction off of this here. We hit 72 on Solana. Not yet. Good morning, Vegas. Good to see you, man. It's better to send me 1,000, not lose thousands. Yeah, I hear you, bro. Bro, focus on the job numbers. Well, that's at 10 o'clock, right? We still got an hour here for job numbers. TP's about to hit on the swing short. Let's go, 585. GG's, bro. Good evening from Thailand. King Froggle. Good morning, everybody. Thank you guys for being here. Big dump this morning. 450 people on the live stream. God bless you guys, man. Thank you for supporting the channel and supporting me and subscribing and hanging out here, man. You guys are cool. Oh, there's a high chance that New York rips upside. Look at all this liquidity, right? Building up liquidity to the downside. I mean, there's no reason that we don't push back up. We just took another low. We got these guys on the table, though. I would prefer 58,000, as you guys know. Big old dump. Let me give you guys the coffee long real quick. I'm going to go and grab some coffee quickly because I want to catch this low, man. I'm going to run. I'm going to run really fast. I don't think I'm capable of that, but, you know, I'm going to try. Your coffee long's right here. Let me put the headphone down and start it again.
Rip the band-aid off into the ground. Take the liquidity, sweep the low. Where does it stop? Nobody knows. Put a 2 in the chat if you are sure. Dump it. Dump it. Down to the floor. Dump it. Dump it. 2 in the chat if you are sure. Dump it. Down to the floor. Dump it. Dump it. Watching for, send it to 0. Send it to 0. Put a 2 in the chat if you are sure. See you later, Bitcoin. Bye-bye, soul. Elevator down. Losing control. Trapping the post, drop at the top. Get out the way of the big old drop. Put a 2 in the chat if you are sure. Dump it. Dump it. Down to the floor. Dump it. Dump it. 2 in the chat if you are sure. Dump it. Down to the floor. Dump it. Dump it. Watch it pause. Send it to 0. Send it to 0. Put a 2 in the chat if you are sure. Pay yourself on the way down. chat if you are short. Dump it. Hey. Dump it. Down to the floor. Dump it. Hey. Dump it. Who in the chat if you are short? Dump it. Hey. Down to the floor. Dump it. Dump it. Hey. Watch it for. Send it to zero.
All right. That was the fastest coffee I've ever had. We hit 72 on Solana. Of course. I missed it. You telling me I missed it? Man. Don't tell me I missed the Solana long. Oh, I'm going to be pissed off if I miss that Solana long. Damn. Dumping. Now Solana's pumping. Oh, man. I'm going to be upset about this one. That's a lot of money I just missed. Oh. Bitcoin pushing back. Order block retest. Continuation up. Oh, now I got the FOMO. NASDAQ finding a low stiletto pattern here. I mean, it still doesn't look good, does it? Solana bouncing. Put a 1 in the chat if you're long. Jeez. Coming back for those late shorts. Oh, we got longs in here. We got longs. I better. You guys all coffee longed on me. Perfect tap of that low, man. Jeez. Perfect tap. NASDAQ's still rolling over here. Bitcoin. Retest of previous lows. Still pushing here. Biddy pushing. Solana bouncing big time. That's an expensive miss, man. That's an expensive miss. You guys all got long on that, eh? Bitcoin rejection. Higher low, continuation trade. 908 coming into market open. No touchy, man. Nice bounce on Solana. I knew I was going to miss this. I'm lost for words. I'm lost for words, guys. Yep. That's hard for me. Exact low order executed. Thanks, Alex. You're welcome. That's the best coffee long I've given you guys in a while, isn't it? Look at all you guys rubbing it in, man. Vicious. Vicious. I'm going to have to short your ass. I'm going to have to short on your ass. That's cruel, man. Biddy getting rejected here. Can it get above? Dump it, Bitcoin. Nah, this thing is going up, man. Could consider a short on Solana here. Order block retest, continuation down here. Pretty cheap trade. NASDAQ pushing. Yeah, I don't want to fade this thing, man. Order block, retest, continuation down here for Solana. NASDAQ flying. SPY's flying. Bitcoin looking to push here. Same with Solana, no trade here. Can't believe I missed that, guys. Talk about frustrating. The whole way down, I'm like, Solana, 72 bounce. Solana, 72 bounce. That's all right. That's why you guys are here, and that's why I shouldn't have gone for coffee. Big rollover on Bitcoin here. That's a pretty nasty... That's pretty nasty on Bitcoin here. Is the dump not over? Coming back for late longs? No trade. Great long, though. Great job, guys. GG's in the chat for everybody here. I'm going to GG you guys. You guys GG me all the time here. GG's for you guys for not going for a coffee break and missing the trade. I told my wife, I'm like, it's coming down right now. It's going to bounce in this level. I got to go. I come back down. It's done it. Should have just spent more time making my coffee and giving my wife a big hug and my son a big sloppy kiss. The cutest man on earth. Oh, man. Solana ready to fire off here. Recovery, V-shaped recovery potentially for Solana. I like Bitcoin lower, but I don't see it. I don't see it slowing down here, guys. This looks good. This looks good. Bullish momentum pushback here. Coming for this high up top here. Bitcoin's got to get going here, though. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. We got a whole plethora of y'all in here hanging out. 506 people here. Long given in advance. I shouldn't have gone for a coffee. That's how it goes sometimes, man. Still no trades. Sitting here waiting. That's where we're at. No trades. Showing you guys. Taking the trades. All that stuff. Thank you for being here. You guys like my new AI thumbnails? I think they're on fire. Pun intended. Let's do a poll. I mean, best fruit. I like these best fruits. We got blueberries. We got strawberry. You guys always get me with this. The mango. And then we got banana. You guys always mess me up with this poll. It always comes down to a few. A few. The mullet has been decapitated, man. It's your mullet. I'm mulling it over. Love seeing me more active on X. Yeah, I guess I'm gonna try to be more active on Twitter. I shared some photos of me and my wife and I. We went on a big road trip across Canada, 40 days on the road. During COVID, it was the best trip of my life because there was no tourists, because everybody was, scared of a fucking chicken pox or whatever. This is me on top of another mountain. I've climbed 5 mountains in my life. I've climbed Ben Nevis in the UK. I've climbed Halling. Climbed Berg Lake. I've climbed, what's the other two? I like climbing mountains. This is Takakaka. This is called Takakaka Falls. It's fucking gorgeous. And you just walk up to it. There's just a big ass rock here. And this is not photoshopped, guys. This is just it, man. Wild times. It looks photoshopped, doesn't it? F you, Solana. 12 minutes till market opens. Jolt's job openings at 10 o'clock. Thank you, everybody, for being here. One long, stopped out, break even right here. One short, made $100 on the way down. Not a biggie. Got stopped out. Could have been a nice runner, but I got stopped out on this wick, literally right here. NASDAQ, trying to find its legs. Bottoming out. Not looking too good. SPY, we'll see. Expecting a gap down. Tesla down pre-market. Micron down pre-market. We'll see how this works out. Same with SpaceX here. And then Solana. Solana was the play right now. Up 1% already. AlexOCrypto. Missing the trades because he went for a coffee. But you guys caught it. So GG's to you guys, man. That's awesome. I'm literally jealous. This is like $2,000 minimum right now, so I'm pretty jealous. Of course it's going to bounce. You called that level at 58.3. No, I called this red line right here. 70. I said when we were dumping, I said Solana's coming down to 72. There's your bounce level. It hit 72 and it bounced. We were looking for sweeps of the lows, so we had our $58,300 level right here. That was on the chart. There was a multitude of sweeps here. There was one here and there was one here. That's why we longed. That's why we longed here and got stopped out, and then we flipped short. I'd like 58,000 though, but it doesn't look like it's happening, guys. I got the FOMO, but I'm not going to top blast. I refuse to top blast after being down 2,000 yesterday. I like to compound my account. I don't like to I don't know. What's the opposite of compounding? Right? It will come down to sweep the London low. Okay. We'll see. Market Cipher isn't showing any bull divs. Hopefully we get a little lower still. We'll see. Yeah. This could be just a little bit of a bleeding out, depounding. Depounding. We're here depounding our account on a daily basis, taking the trades, losing the trades, making crypto honest again. Showing you what not to do. Welcome to the AlexOCrypto show. That should be a lot of other people's channels. I will never say names, and I will never talk about other people poorly, but in a general statement, making crypto dishonest again, depounding accounts, helping you bleed out on a daily basis of using very basic ideas and concepts to help you guys not manage your risk, to take trades that are based off of hopium, and to show you no trades that I take, and to show you exactly my account that was funded to me by the exchange. That is actually really no money. It just looks the same, and I never withdraw from it. That should be the majority. We'll just say the majority. Never taking profits into the bank account. Welcome to the crypto show of reality. Showing you how to take $10,000 and go to $1 on a daily basis. Then trying to compound at 100x leverage. The pound is when you wake up with gorditas. Everybody gave me UNC status yesterday. I was very proud of that. Thank you guys for giving me UNC status. UNC status. How do the Dutch feel this morning, guys? How's your Dutch team? How's the Germans? The Germans lost as well, man. How did Germany lose to Panama, man? Oh, man. Germany loses to Panama. Netherlands loses to Morocco. What's happening in this world, man? What is happening in this world? No Italy in the World Cup? That's messed up, man. That's messed up. Retest continuation. Trying to bounce here. This is still bear flagging, guys, so. We got 6 minutes till market open. Still no trades. A little bit of excitement on the dump this morning. Trapping shorts all the way down. Coming back for these guys. Order block retest. Continuation down potentially here. Sporadic bear market price action, guys. It'll chop you sideways and dump it on you. Chop it, dump it on you, chop it, right? So always be prepared for like the environment that you are in. Look at the NASDAQ. NASDAQ losing strength here, coming down for the lows. So we're looking for sweeps on the NASDAQ for market open. Sweep and bounces, right? This is pretty much Bart Simpson-esque, right? When we look at it, that's not higher. Yeah. So we got Bart Simpson here. Sweeps of the lows. Really, we're looking to come here. That's where we're looking to go. We do have these guys up here, but we've already taken those guys. So Solana holding on nicely here. Solana's down 3.5. Bitcoin's only down 3. Okay. Bitcoin trying to hold way below VWAP. Standard deviation. I want to see it. I want to see it come down below 58. I want to see a candle below 58, hold and go. That's where I want a long. That's the A+ setup today, in my opinion. We'll see where we get to. Looking quickly at Market Cipher, we got 5 minutes here, guys. So taking the trades, showing the trades. What are we looking at? How are we looking at this Bitcoin losing its strength? Obviously, we can see that a big old range here. Clearly, weak. Lower highs all the way through. We can see that here. Failure to make higher high yesterday, right? Critical. We got daily bullish divergence in here. 3 drives up at the lows. SFP bounce is what we are really looking for a nice accumulation Wyckoff in here. And hopefully we can spring out of here. So don't be caught trying to long it right away. There will be ample opportunity for that potential push if we do get it here on this move right now. So don't just try to bottom blast, because this thing can continue down. Okay, when we look at volume macro support, we got 58,000 and we're looking all the way down to 51 if we're going to lose that. So be prepared, as we always are. We got our levels down below as well that we're prepared for. Market Cipher, not looking the greatest, right? So we see the daily printing green dot, red dot. Money flow is coming out. Very aggressive downtrend on VWAP right here. So very nasty. Okay, 12 hour, same thing. Big rollover after yesterday's hopium. Monday false move into dump. 8 hour money flow chopping, which is indecision. And then we got 4, 3, 2, and 1. So anchor trigger wave failed yesterday. Trigger wave to the downside. Red money flow wins. Okay, weakness. You can see every time you come above the 0 line, you just get rejected, right? So very clear weakness throughout. Any rally is met with rejection. Okay. 3, 2, all coming down for anchor waves, right? So we're typically waiting for a trigger wave. That's where we want to get long. So patience for swing longs, but we're at the lows. We're at the lows of the range, so potentially a buying level. We'll see. Money flow looks horrible on the 1 hour, coming down to the 0 line, getting rejected. So just looking for a higher high, higher low. Basically within this area here, we look at our price action as well. We can see that, we basically came up here. We failed to make higher highs. We failed to get above our flip zone, which is above here. Okay. Which suggests, we treat it as a range, right? Like, this has been very volatile, but if we treat it like a range, we buy low and we sell high, we have a lot of success in here. I mean, we gave the short up here. We gave the long over here on the weekend. We weren't able to flip short yesterday, but that's part of the game. And then we can see Asia's just slowly bled out here. So coming into market open, we are looking for a potential sweep and go. We are looking for a retest and dump. And we are looking to take some nice scalps today. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live stream. We're live here every morning, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. We do $5,000 giveaway every week on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. All you have to do is sign up with the Bitunix link. You get VIP 3, which is one of the best deals. Okay, lower fees. And it helps support the channel. I do appreciate you guys supporting the channel and hanging out here. God bless you guys, and thank you for being here. If you want to take your trading further, you can join the Discord. We have a summer sale. Vanilla. Summer sale. Best Discord in all crypto. Giving you the trade setup, signals, all that fun stuff. It's over 200 videos of educational content. All at your fingertips. You put in the work. You take the trades. And hopefully we can help you retire your bloodline. We'll see. It's up to you. All right, so thank you for being here. We're coming into market open. 30 seconds, baby. Let's go, Otter. Gang, baby. Let's see where we get to today. It's been a bit of a gong show. We've taken 2 trades, 1 break even, 1 for $100. We missed the Solana long that we told everybody else to take, and they're all long and they're all enjoying it. So GG's to you guys. I'm jealous. And we're here waiting. So let's see where we get to. Coming in, market is open. Ding, 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 mofo. Ding, 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 mofo. All right, gap. Gap fill. Gap fill right away. All right, gap's filled. We have a gap above us here for the SPY. Opening up break even. Bitcoin pushing. Solana. Guys, that long, man. That long, guys. Coming into resistance right now. Sweep of the highs. GG's on your long, everybody. Push ya nambe pambe. Looking good here. Looking good here. Get going, man. Thank you for being here. Thank you for saying good morning. Did we put the link for the exchange in the chat? I don't think we did. Yeah. Here's the link for the exchange in the chat. Thank you guys for using it and signing up. Pinned in the comments, guys. If you got VIP 1, come over to the Discord, open a ticket. Give me your UID and I will get you VIP 3, okay? Big push here. NASDAQ, big push here. Whew, NASDAQian, baby. Look at that. Missing the Solana long, man. This is borderline frustrating. Big push up here coming into that job opening. Jolts today, guys. Be aware. Jolts today. Big push for NASDAQ. Bitcoin trying to fire off here. Coming up. Order block tap. Continuation up. Solana flying. All right. Big dump this morning coming into a pump. Mixed signals all around. We got the Jolts job openings at 10 a.m. Don't forget it. So be prepared with your trades at 10. Okay. Oof, big sweep and dump here. Oof, big sweep and dump here. NASDAQ trying to hold on. Bitcoin rolling over. Big liquidity grab dumping down here for Bitcoin. Like we said, we want to see this rip the Band-Aid off. Solana coming down here. Still no trades. Still waiting. Bruh. That's nasty. Whew. Down we go. Down we go. No comment. No comment. This is gross. Wow. Dump it. Pump it. Pump it. Pump it. NASDAQ. Still pumping. Bitcoin. My God. Come down here, Bitcoin. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. You can do it. You can do it, Biddy. I believe in you. Oof. You can do it, Bitcoin. Sweep of the highs. Order block tap. Continuation down. Solana. Support and resistance tap. Man, those support and resistance lines are so gangster. Look at that. Boom. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. I want you in my room. I got that stuck in your head now. Boom, 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 boom. Nah, you don't want that. You do not want that as an earworm, man. That is the worst. Man, you'd be going to the drive-thru at McDonald's. Boom, boom, boom. And then you pull up and the guy's just looking at you like, man, you need a job? Bitcoin rolling over here. Sold to 70. All right. Your soul is mine. I mean, soul, yeah, we can come all the way back down to 70. I agree with that. That's a good statement. Bitcoin, dumping. NASDAQ, pumping. Mixed bag here, guys. SPY, filling the gap. If the SPY fills the gap early, then we have every right to dump. If it comes back and it fills this within the next 2 hours, we have every right to dump. Bitcoin coming down. Solana dumping. Hopium pump into dump. Bitcoin. Yikes, man. Bitcoin. Bitcoin. Bitcoin, what are you doing? Sweep. Bounce. NASDAQ still pumping. No trade here. Still waiting. Still waiting. Bitcoin dumping. Solana trying to hold on. NASDAQ ripping, man. Holy. NASDAQ's flying. SPY pushing. Bitcoin dumping. Big sell-off. Down we go. Solana, down we go. We're in the wrong asset class here, guys. Bearish candle close. Trying to push back. Wick test continuation down. My goodness. No trade. Still waiting here. The next low for the low sweep is down here, so we can put that on for you guys here. Sheesh. I'm not so upset about that Solana long now. I'm not so upset, okay? I take it back. I take it back. We're good. We're good. We have digested this. This is lower. Solana lower. NASDAQ dumping finally. NASDAQ rolls over here. It's all downhill for everything. Rip it off, baby. Come on, Bitcoin. Dump it. GG's for those shorts in the chat. GG's for you guys. Sold to 70. Bitcoin going to 48. This is the bottom. Okay. Where's the spoon? The spoon is upstairs, man, in the drawer. Still waiting right now. Now this says lower. This definitely says lower, man. NASDAQ. NASDAQ doing its thing. SpaceX. Marvel. Marvel's pumping. AMD's pumping. Look at these. Why aren't we just trading AI stocks right now? We're a bunch of losers hanging out here in the crypto world. Down we go. Bitcoin just hovercrafting right now. It's like it's going number 2 in an outhouse right now. No trade. We're out housing. GG's. Toilet. Here we go. Let's get some toilets in the chat. Can we get some toilets in the chat? Maybe we can go to other people's channels and just start spamming toilets. They'd probably get offended. They'd probably be like, oh my God, they think I'm shit. It tastes like shit, Basil. That's because it is shit, Austin. Oh, man. I mean, you can call me whatever in here. I promise you I won't get offended. This is a non-offended, non-binary. I identify as profitable. My pronouns are Lord Otter King Beaver. It's funny. I've lost like 40 subscribers in the last 4 days. I don't know what Canada's doing to the algorithm, but there's definitely a Canadian purge going on in this algorithm. So if you guys wouldn't mind smashing that like button, we got 600 people here. I do appreciate your support. Hopefully I can earn that like. Right now we're waiting. Solana long given an advance from here. Trying to push back NASDAQ. Retest the previous highs. Continuation up. Bitcoin pushing. Solana pushing. 940. Solana, nice push here. Bitcoin as well. Solana halfway down the candle. Continuation trade. Nice push here for Solana. This is so scammy, man. Very manipulated. Bullish divergence in here. Continuation up potentially. NASDAQ and SPY continue to climb. Solana trying to hold here. Interesting. No trade still. SpaceX dumping now. NASDAQ cooling off. Coming back for late shorts, in my opinion. Definitely not a long. I'd like to see more bottoming structure here. I want to see this, guys. I really want to see Bitcoin just boop. It even makes that noise when it does it. I have a new Swedish support. Thank you for being here, Sweden. God bless you. Can you live every day, bro? I go live Monday to Friday. 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. So yes. I won't do the weekends, man. I have a family. The weekends are for family. I didn't start day trading to not hang out with my wife and my kid. Quiet in here. Be cool if you had your own music. We do, Dave. It's just taking the trades, showing the trades, man. I don't know. That's a certain thing I've never liked is when I watch when I have watched other people trade. I don't like, everybody got like this like zen fucking music. Then they go home and beat their wives kind of thing while they trade. They tilt on their wives instead of tilting on the stream. I tilt on the stream. I listen to like boom bap hip hop sometimes in the Discord when we stream in the Discord, but slight wick test here on Solana trying to hold and push. Bitcoin trying to hold and push here. Potential bounce here. Can we get a wick test on Solana? Little wick test here, potentially. One minute till orb. NASDAQ holding. Go to 1 minute on the NASDAQ. Okay, NASDAQ not holding. NASDAQ coming back down here. Looking for this on Solana. 30 seconds on the candle. It's going to go halfway down the candle and push, isn't it? Bitcoin pushing, Solana pushing, halfway down the candle. Yeah, it front ran me. Nice push here for Solana. Okay, this is off the table now. Two good candles. This is looking strong for Soy Boy Lana here. Orb is in, everybody. Lower orb is juicy. Can we get a failed orb breakdown? Failed orb breakdown is typically bullish. This would be that's the A plus today. Nasdaq holding strong. SPY continues to climb. Patience here. Jobs news in 15 minutes, everybody. Thank you for being here on the live, hanging out. If we could get 12 more likes, that would be pretty cool, man. I appreciate it. No pink box today? No, sir. The only thing I do require is you guys say good morning. I would like a good morning. Good mornings are good, man. A lot of you come in here and already say good morning because you know. Thank you. Chop in the middle here. Nasdaq double top. SPY exhaustion failing to push here. Interesting. SpaceX rollover. Tesla rollover. Dump and pump. Yeah. These still look good. Trying to hold here. Sweep and go for Solana. Potential push up into the highs here. Still no trade. I like up right now for Solana and Biddy. How high do we go? We'll see. I mean, we got order block in here. It has been mitigated, so not necessarily perfect here, but this does look like we get continuation upwards right now. However, if we double top here on Nasdaq, it could get quite nasty, and we don't see any strengths coming in for the SPY right now. It's just chopping up at the top. This is just creating liquidity, in my opinion. So just trying to wait it out. Obviously, trend is down right now, so longs should be treated as retracement trades, not full port swing longs. Okay, hanging man engulfing candle, fail. Almost printed. Almost printed. We got it on Solana. This is a bearish candle pattern. Halfway down the candle, continuation down, potentially here. Bearish candle pattern. Trying to hold on here. Still no trade. Very choppy. Nasdaq continues to climb. Same with the SPY. Same with Biddy. Still waiting here. I mean, this just looks like it needs to come here. 3 drives up at the lows. Liquidity in here, right? Liquidity. Like, what do we get? A little pushback and then psh. Jolt's job openings in 10 minutes, everybody. Job openings. Maybe it's just chopping into that. We can't see the Nasdaq indecision here. Double top. Potential rollover. If the SPY and the Nasdaq roll over, it's pound town for Bitcoin. Just saying. If these two both dump right now, it's bye-bye. See you later. Sayonara. Ciao for now. Arrivederci. Buongiorno. Isn't that a nice bull div? Yeah, it is, but it's downtrending, right? So you're if you're trying to take bull divs into a downtrend, it's, in my opinion, it's very bull divs don't work in downtrends most of the time. I think especially with liquidity below us too, but it's not necessarily something I'm taking a trade on here. Alex is the mayor. What's Pound Town? Oh, there was 1,000 rude jokes going through my head right there. Continuation up here. NASDAQ still showing like it got legs, man. So this is good. Big push up here for NASDAQ all of a sudden. SPY continuing to fill the gap above here. Like I said, if SPY fills this gap within the next couple hours, right, it's permission to dump hard. Bitcoin's flaccid right now. Solana sideways. Never mind. Solana pushing. I did like Solana for continuation up here. Sweep of the highs, continuation up. NASDAQ breaking out. SPY breaking out. Bitcoin trying to push up upper orb here. Into order block again. Order block resistance. Very sporadic. Very sporadic price action. Not very gender fluid or whatever, you know. Whatever they call that stuff. SPY breaking out. NASDAQ breaking out. Bitcoin trying to go. Failing to reclaim orb. Solana pushing. 8 minutes till news. Put a 1 in the chat if you're long, baby. GG's. GG's. I gotta know. Are you long? Are you still swing short? GG's. Ones, baby. Let's go. Congratulations. I'm handyman. I'm full on skiing, baby. That's how we roll in today. The Ski Master 5000. Long from the top. Dusty. Dusty's long from the top, guys. Coming into orb. Orb, Solana resistance, no longs here. No longs here. SPY filling the gaps, man. Getting closer. Upper orb rejection potentially here. Double liquidity take. Order block retest continuation up as well. So mixed bag. Still no trade. Still waiting here. Thank you everybody for being here. Thank you for supporting the channel. Thank you for getting those likes over 200. I appreciate it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I've lost some subscribers recently. I don't know what's going on. But they're bear marketing the channel. And you guys can help. So thanks for helping. We're going to go live trading in the Discord right after this. I'm excited. I don't know about you guys, but I'm excited. I love trading in the Discord. No delay for all you hip hip hooray people, but you know, we get to just hang out and talk. a little bit more detail of what we're looking for and what I'm thinking and how we're looking to take the trades. And sometimes I tilt out, like last Friday. Sometimes we catch, a lot of the times we catch quite a nice couple of trades. It's very rare that, I go on tilt in the Discord, but it happened on Friday. So, I mean, it's not a 0% chance, which is funny. I got to laugh because I don't typically get tilted. I sometimes, my thing is over trading. But, you got to watch it. All right, so this seems to be baking in the news here. 4 minutes till news, everybody. Thank you for being here. This is going to be a fun one today. Usually the more you lose, the more you need to invest. Like he doesn't know what gender fluid means as a Canadian. Oh, man. There's plenty of fluids in the genders. I just don't know what they are. I don't even know. Like, there's like so many letters to that thing. It's worse than trying to type in USDT AU gold/silver/USDT chart, man. That's the only acronyms I know, man, is the ones I type in to look at charts. You looking for a short scalp on Solana? I wouldn't fade this move right now, bro. I'd be patient right here. Solana looks like it has legs. NASDAQ has legs. SPY has legs. Bitcoin's trying to push through orb here. Coming into news data. So 3 minutes, no trades right now. Double top at the highs here, failing to push out. NASDAQ doesn't care. SPY doesn't care. Nancy Pelosi knows about all about the jobs data coming out. And this will kind of help dictate which way rates are going to go. So the key metric I'm watching is what they're doing in September. Sorry for the flashbang. Boom. We look at September. It's 47, 49. So it's 47% of a rate hike. Okay. For September. That's the one I'm watching right now. We'll see. We shall see. And the data will give us more of an insight to that on what they're leaning towards, man. I mean, it's all Ponzi anyways, guys. We know that. 2 minutes till news. SpaceX pumping. SPY's pumping. Like I said, if we fill this gap, we have every right to dump, man. We're almost there. Let's make sure this is accurate. The last candle here. Got a little balloon dog here. Double bottom, bull flag at the lows. Can it get going? Maybe into VWAP. Retest the previous lows. We could easily come up to here and then continue. Asia dumping the market last night. Solana finding support, giving the long at the red line today. Chop at the top here. NASDAQ, breakout, retest, continuation up. Looking hella strong here on the NASDAQ. Bitcoin trying to push. Solana trying to push. Market dumping this morning. Big pushback here. Coming into news data. What's the guess on the news data? Up or down, guys? Up or down? Put a 1 in the chat if you think it's going to go up. Put a 2 in the chat if you think it's going to go down. I'm going to go with a 1. I think it's going to go up. Coming better than forecasted. I think so too, Piper. I'm in the positive news data right now. I think this is going to blast off and this thing's going to go up. And now I'm giving everybody the FOMO. Ooh-wee. AI is taking our jobs. AI is taking our jobs. It's true, man. It's true. If you don't know how to use it, I mean, I use AI every morning. Every morning I spend and then I spend a little bit of time every day trying to use it and abuse it. My Claude calls me Lord Otter, King Beaver. It respects my authority. Here we go. Jobs news coming in. Up, down, all around. Which way are we going to go? Jolts, jobs coming in. Adding. Positive news. Positive news. Looking good. Looking good. We'll see. Boom, 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 boom. All right. So we got 7.59. Expectation is 7.4, coming in above expectations. Increasing. Job openings, baby. Let's go. Bullish. Bullish. And the market is dumping. Woohoo, baby. And the market is dumping. Bitcoin already dumped this morning. Can we continue upwards here for our beautiful? Coming down on the Nasdaq and retest the previous highs. Continuation up here. Solana taking the liquidity of the highs. Continuation up here. Bitcoin closing above orb. Can it push into VWAP? Indecision. Look at all the Otter Gang long signals in here. That's pretty. Look at that thing. We got otters. We got splooshes. The splooshes is the number one. Look at that thing. Calling the long right in here at that low. Beautiful bounce, baby. Solana flying. I'm jealous. I'm jealous of all you people who are long. Nasdaq pumping. Right back at it. Here goes Bitcoin up into VWAP slap. VWAP slap. Bitcoin flying. Breaking out. Coming right back for all the late shorts. Big push here for Biddy and Solana. Wild times, man. For those who are long, congratulations. Like I said, it did look like Solana was going to go up here. I did not execute. But my God, this thing is flying, baby. Let's go. Up 2% off of the lows. Continuation up here for Solana. Can it keep going? Or are we going to come into resistance here? Bitcoin going through aggressively through VWAP. An aggressive push here for the market. Can it continue? Are we going to top blast? That is the question. That is the question. Big old push here for Biddy. Big old push here for Solana. Could this be the low? We don't know. We don't know, but this is a beautiful push here. Can it continue? Nasdaq trying to push out. SPY pushing out. Bitcoin pushing out. Bitcoin breakout, retest, continuation up here. VWAP slap and down. Solana coming back in. Retest to previous lows. Trying to hold on here. Big push out. Nasdaq continuing. Got continuation all the way through. Halfway down the candle for Solana. Continuation long potentially. Can it get going? Breaking out. Bitcoin trying to push back here. Can it get going? Looking for follow through. Can we get follow through? Considering a long on Solana halfway down the candle. Let's go. Send it. I'm long. Up 600. TP1 hit. Halfway down the candle. Continuation trade on Solana. Oh, don't you dare. Don't you dare. Don't you dare. Get going. Get out of here. Get going. Push. Up 600. I hit TP1 up here. My God. Okay. Quick $600 on Solana. I was just looking for follow through. GG's in the chat. That was the quickest $600 I've ever made. Halfway down the candle, continuation trade, $600 here on Solana. Taking the trade, showing the trades. Okay, we're up 700 today so far. Shall I play it for you guys? Halfway down the candle, continuation trade. What does that remind you of, guys? Is it top blasting? I think it is top blasting. AlexOCrypto here live every morning. Hanging out with you guys.
Better sit low when the chips low. AlexOCrypto. Fit the party like a disco. Van bass like my wallet. Yo, stay true to the digital. All the gang. Let's go. I walked away for a minute just to get a coffee. Came back to the charts and the price moved off me.
Trade is still valid. I just
overextended. I didn't want to stop. I felt the FOMO rising. Yeah, I felt the itch. Thinking I was pre-rich, about to get rich. I ignored the bearish Steve on the market side for B just to degenerate. Yeah, that was me. I didn't wait.
NASDAQ continuing to grind up, buy as well. Bitcoin breakout retest. Looking for an order retest potentially here.
Before the big drop, top blasting, buying high and selling low. Top wrecked by a wick, put on a gong show. Top blasting, I didn't pay myself. Now I'm round tripping trades, bad for my health. I pressed the green button when I should have clicked sell. Top blasting the high straight, the trade in hell. Now I'm sitting in my wanking chair, yeah, feeling kinda sick. Got the Hershey squirts, man, the candle was quick. Market maker saw my order, that dirty rascal. Under my stop loss, now it's a hassle. I used to be a carpenter, dropping spikes all day. Now I'm clicking buttons, throwing gains away. It's absolutely grim, mate. The price action is trash. Sure waited for the sweep to secure the cash. I got tilted, started spiraling, losing my head. Should've closed the laptop and gone back to bed. Don't be an on the plan, babe. Don't be a douche canoe. You gotta wait for the setup to come to you. Be the turtle, slow and steady, that's the race. Don't let the green candles punch you in the face. I wanted to slap a Lenny, the big V, whap slap. Instead I got chopped up in a bull trap. Making crypto honest again, that's the plan. But top blasting trades wasn't part of the brand. Learn from my mistakes, join the Discord fam. Don't buy the top or you'll get in the jam. But let's go, crypto, talking fat when the chips low. Stay true to the
Did it
digital.
follow through or no?
All
We're below VWAP still.
bye.
I don't see any follow through here, guys. Come on, Soy Boy Lana. One's in the chat if you're long. We're gonna go hang out in the Discord, guys. God bless you guys. Thank you guys so much for being here and supporting the channel. We have a strategy video coming out later today at 3 o'clock. Wick test strategy. Make sure you go over and throw the comment Wick. We'll do a giveaway tomorrow. Okay? Wick. John Wick. Anyways, God bless you guys. Have a wonderful day. I will see you guys tomorrow. Trade safe. Much love. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. AlexOCrypto.